How to recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days.
Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
If you have deleted your Instagram account after 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. And if you want to get it back or recover it, you can simply follow the steps to recover your account back. First of all, go to the browser. There search for instagram.com/support. After that, on the top right corner of your screen, tap on these three horizontal lines. Tap on Manage Your Account. Tap on Signing Up and Getting Started. Scroll down. Was this helpful? Tap on No. Tap on Others. So here you will have a option where you can write your problem. So here you have to simply state clearly that you want to get your Instagram account back, and just don't forget to mention your username and email ID linked with that deleted Instagram account, and just mention that you want to recover your deleted Instagram account and tap on submit. After submitting this, your deleted Instagram account will be recovered within 24 hours of submission.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.